Welcome to Joseph. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to build your own automation tools. Joseph is a legal automation platform designed to be easy enough for anyone in a legal organization to use. Those technophobic lawyers that you know? This is just as accessible to them as it is to you. Legal professionals use Joseph to build and deploy legal bots that improve the client experience, reduce repetition, and save time by streamlining processes. We empower legal professionals to take the workflows, processes, and documents that they work with every day and turn them into dynamic digital tools. In this demo, we'll do three things. First, we'll show you what Joseph bots look like and how they work. Second, we'll give you a glimpse of what building on the platform is like, including how to automate documents. And third, we'll point out some added extras, like how to train your bot to send emails, and some of the data-driven insights available to you on Joseph. So, to kick things off, what does a bot look like? Here, we're looking at a bot designed to draft a non-disclosure agreement. Conversational bots give your user the flexibility to interact on any device, and they give you, the builder, the ability to display your bot anywhere it needs to be. As you can see, this bot is now gathering the information it needs to draft an NDA. It uses input validation to ensure that users provide the information that it needs. You can ask your user to provide text, dates, and numbers, give them multiple choice options to choose from, or invite them to upload a file for you to use later. And you can add hints to messages where you think the user might need a bit of extra guidance or some further explanation of a technical term. As we reach the end of this interaction, the bot generates a document for us to download. Joseph allows you to generate perfect Word or PDF documents depending on your needs, or trigger emails to send these documents wherever they need to go. And here's our NDA. It contains the answers we have provided and all of the styling and formatting that you'd expect in a legal document template. So, how do we build a bot on Joseph? The simplest way is to enter the messages and draw your bot's logic flow in Joseph's flowchart. Here, we create messages to tell our bot what to say. All you need to do is type the message into the content field, and the bot will display it to your user. Once we have a few messages, we need to connect them together so that our bot knows which path to follow. We do this by drawing the connections between each message to determine how the conversation with the user will play out. We can also set logical rules to determine which path the bot should go down. So, for example, if we want the bot to follow a particular path, we click on the cog icon and set a rule to determine which connection the bot should follow based on the response provided by the user. Joseph's logic engine is easy enough to use for a first-time user, but allows experienced users to create more complex rules, such as groups of rules or rules within rules. After we have created our messages, connections, and rules, it's time to create the document that we'd like the bot to automate. All we need to do on Joseph is upload an existing Microsoft Word document into the platform. After launching the document editor, our document appears. Joseph's editor is focused on the automation experience. You can insert responses from the user into the document, choosing from the list of questions that you've asked them. And we can apply rules to specific parts of the document. These rules determine when text will appear in the final document based on responses given by a user. This clause, for example, should only appear if our user wants a non-circumvention clause. And so we set a rule that the message non-circumvention must be answered with a yes in order for this text to appear. The final piece of the puzzle is the export feature, which allows you to recreate your template to display all of the responses and logic if someone else wants to review it. Last of all, you can set up automated emails for your bot to send. These emails might go to the user, or perhaps to someone internal who needs to review the interaction or document that has been generated. Automated emails sent by your bot can contain data from the interaction and attach any of the automated documents. And in the Activity tab, you can see information about how your bot is performing, how much it is being used, and review records of every interaction. This provides important insights into the value that your bot is creating, along with a robust audit trail for you to ensure that your bot is operating the way it should be. You've now been given a very brief demo of Josef. Hopefully, this has given you a good sense of what the platform does and what you can use it for. We'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions or feedback for us, please feel free to reach out at info@joseflegal.com. We hope you have a great AltaCon.